Germarel Power.
This is our 3200 kVA water stabilizer, static water stabilizer. This is like a simple machine that is needed for mainly developing countries, but nowadays also in Europe, because the voltage fluctuations are increasing also in Europe with the more renewable energies like wind energy and solar systems that is connected to the grid. So it's regulating the voltage. And while you are choosing a water stabilizer, you have to be aware of, like, you are choosing minimum 40% bigger than what you are buying. Because the voltage groups can go up to 20-25%. And then at that time, also there are harmonics. And if the weather condition is also hot, to protect the machine and then your system, it must be selected like 40% bigger. I mean, if your load is 1000 kVA, then you have to choose like 1400 kVA minimum, okay? So in this sense, it's logic to buy 1000 kVA. This is for Tanzania, for a holiday resort. They will have like, I think 280 rooms. So this will be regulating all the air conditioners, refrigerators, all the system in the hotel, like a big holiday resort. So there's a reason it's a big machine, because their voltage fluctuations are a lot. This is also needed for so many systems to protect the machines in a way of like to regulate, because if any problem occurs, it's not going to your white machines. This is to be stopped here, to be stopped on this machine. Any kind of because we are protecting your line, your system, your hospital, your hotel, or all your loads electronically and physically as well. So 3 types of protection. So that is a simple machine, easy to connect cables, and then just plug and play solution. It just look like 1 hour installation. That's it. So it's a simple machine.
Germarel Power.